And Dr. Dan Tomlinson joins us now to answer some of your medical questions. Today, we are talking healthy foods. Hi, Dr. Dan.
Hi there. Good to be here.
Good to have you here. A new study says there could be a link between red meat and heart disease. Now, kind of a two-sided question here. What are the health benefits and what are the risks of eating red meats?
All right. Well, I want to talk about the study for a second because it's really the hot thing. It's out of the Cleveland Clinic, and that's a well-respected researcher group. And it really changes the paradigm. You know, we all think of meat and the saturated fats and causing plaque in your arteries. Well, they've shown that it's actually a combination of red meat with a chemical called carnitine, which is in red meat a lot, and then how it mixes with your gut bacteria, and the gut bacteria that are selected out with red meat eaters, causing plaque to develop more than it does with other types of food groups. And so that's different than just saturated fats like we've all been saying. So that's why I said it's a big paradigm shift. And you can imagine if this gets confirmed that they're going to be looking into, okay, how do we affect that gut bacteria? How do we affect meat with carnitine and on, because people like to eat meat. And let's face it, it tastes good and it is a good source of protein, but the risk obviously is the heart disease is increased, and now we're kind of seeing, well, maybe there's a new reason. It's how the gut bacteria interacts with carnitine, which is in red meat.
So our next question, does being a vegetarian or a vegan affect the health of your baby during pregnancy?
Okay, well, pregnancy and vegetarianism is fine, and really, because you can get protein from so many sources. Now, meat has a lot of B12 in it. You need B12 to make red blood cells, so you need to take B12 supplements. But if you want to be a vegetarian, just take B12.
And kind of balance out those foods to make sure you're getting
all
of that good stuff. All right, thanks, Dr. Dan.
You bet.
And Dr. Dan joins us each Monday to answer your medical questions. If you have a question, you can write or email him at the addresses on your screen.
You may also post that question on our News 10 Facebook page. We'll be right back with more News 10 at 5.